Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys the Brainway app honest review. So let's go ahead. Start by selecting your gender, female, age this. Do you start assignment at the last minute? Yeah, I often start them at the last minute. I often struggle to make a quick decision and overthink all the possibilities. Um, I would say somewhat agree, disagree in the middle. Where is neutral? Do you get distracted easily? Sometimes. When I must do something I don't like, I tell myself I'll do it later. Yes, yes, often. But you know what? I also do them sometimes as well. Why do you think you put things off? I would say I'm not motivated enough. How long have you been a procrastinator? Hmm. I think COVID was a long time, so I would say more than 3 years. I often tell myself I'll finish a task later, but then I don't. Someone agree. How does procrastination, as you can see, they have 27 questions and they're going very deep. How does procrastination affect your life? Things like that. So if we go and read people's reviews, as you can see, 33% 1 star, which is almost 1/3, and 62% have 5 stars. So more 5 star, but let's read the uh, bad reviews and the good reviews. I paid for a 1 month plan for £8, no contract whatsoever, but the next month I was charged this much and they refused to refund me. Also, I used the app for 3 minutes before I understood it was total garbage, no interactivity or whatsoever. Okay, so this person, they got charged without permission, so that's a red flag in the first place. And then no interactivity, we'll keep that in mind. Excellent service, customer support was right there to help. One guy says no interactivity, and another guy says there's good customer service. As you can see, every other, what do you call it, review is either good or bad. Let's check the Reddit. It was kind of weird at first. It doesn't really have the usual tools like timers or to-do lists. It focuses on the emotional reasons. I found the journaling and emotional tracking super helpful. Okay, one guy said that it's helpful. Another guy, I find it not so useful because I don't see the point paying for an app just to journal your daily thoughts and track your mood. ChatGPT would be your best friend, which is true. It's definitely not your typical productivity app, but if you're into exploring the emotional side of things, it's worth a try. So, it comes to a conclusion that if you want to pay for a therapist, basically, in the form of an app that gives you emotional reasons, in that case, go ahead and pay for this app. But if you want real things, real, let's say, push or buttons to make you move forward, then I would say that do not go for this app. And as you can see, there is a very much debate. It depends on what kind of person you are. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next